Guess the Jamaican terms. What country do you come from, bro?
Canada.
Canada. Canadian. North American. You know any Jamaican terms?
I know a few.
Alright, cool. I'm gonna give you 2 Jamaican terms, yeah?
Sure.
And I want you to translate it what it would be in English, alright? Frownzy.
Say again?
Frownzy.
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 Frownzy, like a frown?
Frownzy.
Use it in a sentence. Language of
That,
origin.
alright. That youth there over there, so? In Frownzy.
In Frownzy.
Me just walk past that youth there
See.
and in Frownzy.
You just walked past the dude there. I'm a Frownzy. I actually don't even know. No clue. Like Frownzy, bro. I don't know. No, I don't know. No clue.
Pum pum.
Yeah, bro. Me and nyam that.
Come back, so. We're not going with that one there. What you mean by nyam? We nyam that. What you mean by that? Man, you nyam pum pum?
See?
Have a nice day. Execute yourself, please, sir. Thank you. We nyam pum pum.